Understanding knowledge engineering, the future of AI-driven decision-making. Knowledge engineering is a pioneering discipline within the realm of artificial intelligence, AI, focused on the development of systems that can emulate the thought processes of human experts when addressing complex problems. By creating rules that can be applied to data, knowledge engineering aims to replicate the decision-making capabilities of individuals highly skilled in specific fields, such as finance, healthcare, or engineering. The basics of knowledge engineering. At its core, knowledge engineering seeks to uncover the logical structure of a task or decision. This involves identifying how experts arrive at their conclusions and creating a robust framework that mimics this process. The end goal is to develop software that can assist in decision-making, diagnosis, troubleshooting, and issue resolution, either autonomously or in collaboration with human users. Key objectives. 1. Expert system development. Knowledge engineers strive to encode expert knowledge into decision support systems that leverage past experiences and data. 2. Modeling human decision-making. Rather than replicating human thought processes step by step, knowledge engineering utilizes modeling to produce similar outcomes by potentially different means. 3. Intuitive reasoning. A significant realization in the evolution of knowledge engineering is the understanding that human decision-making often involves intuition and nonlinear thought processes, elements that aren't always clearly structured or logical. Evolution from transfer process to modeling. In its initial stages, knowledge engineering revolved around the concept of the transfer process. This involved taking the explicit knowledge of human experts and encoding it into software. However, limitations quickly became evident. The complexities of human intuition and experience often fall outside the lines of conventional logic, thus making simple transfers insufficient for capturing the depth of human judgment. The shift to modeling. In light of these challenges, the field has evolved towards a more sophisticated modeling process. This contemporary approach focuses on identifying key outcomes characteristic of expert decisions without striving to document every step leading to those outcomes. The advantages of this modeling approach are numerous. Bypassing explicit knowledge, it allows systems to leverage analogous reasoning and nonlinear thinking, with a focus on results rather than procedures. Dynamic refinement. Once a model produces results comparable to those of an expert, it can be continually refined to improve accuracy and efficiency. Real-world applications of knowledge engineering. As AI technologies mature, knowledge engineering is increasingly integrated into decision support software across various sectors. Prominent areas of application include healthcare diagnostics. AI-driven tools assist medical professionals in diagnosing illnesses based on patient data and patterns recognized from vast databases of previous cases. Financial analysis. Automated financial advisors, or robo-advisors, employ knowledge engineering to analyze market trends and make investment recommendations, often yielding outcomes that rival traditional experts. Natural language processing, NLP. By interpreting human language, knowledge engineering facilitates better interactions between humans and machines, enhancing customer service in sectors like travel and retail. Future prospects, surpassing human expertise. The trajectory of knowledge engineering promises to propel AI systems toward making better decisions than human experts in specific tasks. The incorporation of complementary AI technologies, such as NLP and facial recognition, will further enhance the capabilities of decision-making systems. For instance, future applications could make AI-powered assistants more responsive and adept at understanding human emotions and context, leading to more personalized and effective interactions in sectors spanning from healthcare to customer service. Conclusion. As knowledge engineering becomes increasingly sophisticated, it stands at the forefront of AI's evolution towards achieving human-like decision-making capabilities. It offers not only the potential to enhance operational efficiency across industries but also presents opportunities for creating a new generation of intelligent systems that can understand, learn from, and optimally respond to human needs. The age of AI-driven decision support is not only upon us, it is expanding in leaps and bounds toward surpassing our human limitations.